What's up, traders? If you've ever struggled with spotting market reversals, then this video is for you. Okay, in this video we are diving into the enhanced wave trend, right? The enhanced wave trend indicator. Okay, all right, we're going to be looking at the enhanced wave trend oscillator in this video. Okay, it's a powerful tool that helps traders identify high probability reversals before they fully develop. So stick around because this indicator can change the way you trade. All right. Now, why is spotting reversals important? You might be wondering why spotting reversals is important. Catching trend reversals early can give traders a major advantage. Many traders rely on lagging indicators that react after price has already moved, leading to delayed entries and missed opportunities, right? So what if you had a tool that could detect potential reversals before they fully occur? That is exactly what the enhanced wave trend oscillator tries to achieve. Okay, so the wave trend indicator is a momentum oscillator that helps identify overbought and oversold market conditions. But the enhanced wave trend indicator takes it a step further, providing stronger confirmation signals that gives better accuracy. So instead of waiting for price to move first, it detects momentum shifts that can signal an upcoming reversal. Now, guess what? Whenever you have this blue area appear, when the indicator is coming out from the oversold territory, right? It shows that a bullish move is incoming. Okay, it shows that a bullish move is incoming. Now you can see that at this point we had a sell trend, and then right after the sell trend we had a brief consolidation right around here, but the indicator had already started giving buy signals ahead of time. Okay, so you can see that the consolidation still took place all the way to this around this area. The consolidation was still ongoing, and then finally we had a breakout to the upside. So if you had entered a buy around here, well, of course you should be setting your stop loss below the support zone, below it, some pips below it, and then your take profit can be around resistance, right? So you can see that this was a valid signal that eventually turned out good. And then of course for a sell, you will just wait for the indicator color to change to purple, right? And then of course pointing downwards. So this first time it gave a sell signal, and then it gave a sell signal again, although this time around there was a lower high. Okay, so this first time that it gave a signal, there was just a brief sell move, and then the price went, the indicator went up again, gave another sell signal. This time around, we now had a breakout, what a reversal actually. You can see that there was actually a reversal because price even formed a double top. Price formed a double top pattern, and then we had a reversal to the downside. So this indicator gave a sell signal on time, right? If you are taking advantage of this, perhaps you would have caught a good number of pips, okay, because your exit should be probably around support zones, or when the indicator gives a buy signal and you use that to exit your sell. Okay, so this was quite a good trading opportunity as well. Now here is why the enhanced wave trend oscillator is an effective tool that you would want to consider having in your trading toolkit. One is that it spots high probability reversals with improved signal accuracy. Okay, and then it filters out market noise, reducing false signals. Okay, and the indicator works on Forex, stocks, crypto, and indices, making it highly versatile. All right. Also, this indicator helps traders to confirm trend exhaustion before entering a trade. Okay, and it works great for day trading, swing trading, and scalping strategies. All right, so all you just have to do is you pay attention to the coloring of the indicator. When it changes from blue to purple is a sell signal. When it changes from purple to blue is a buy signal. And then you watch out for these as well. Yeah, watch out for these. When the area is this golden color below the zero level, it shows bearish momentum. When it is this gray color above the zero level, it shows buy momentum. All right, so I'm paying attention to all those. Okay, it's very important. In addition to that, make sure you reference support and resistance zones. You can see you identify areas of rejection on the chart, resistance levels, support levels, right? You know, that gives you stronger trade setups. Okay, once you identify support and resistance zones, because when you have a buy signal around the support zone, it is, you know, it adds to the validity of that signal. And when you have a sell signal around the resistance zone, it adds to the validity of that signal. All right, also combine price action to improve your trade timing and confirmation. Make sure you always pay attention to price action. Pay attention to your candlestick patterns, the chart patterns, and all of that. Just like how here we identified a double top, and that double top coincided with a sell signal from the WaveTrend oscillator, the enhanced WaveTrend oscillator, right? Okay, and you can see here we had a bearish engulfing, for example, and around that time that we had that bearish engulfing, well, the sell trend was still ongoing. So it's still ongoing, and here you see the blue change to purple. So that even added to the validity of that sell signal. So if you are looking for a powerful tool to spot high probability reversals, then the enhanced wave trend oscillator is one you should consider checking out. Okay, understanding momentum shifts is key to better trading decisions, and this indicator helps you stay ahead of the market. All right, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another trading tip. Drop a comment below if you've used this indicator, or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Stay disciplined, trade smart, and I will see you in the next video.